Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how we can change language on the MEXC mobile application. To change your display language on MEXC mobile app is super easy. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the home page. After you are, tap on the human button at the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Language. From the list of languages displayed on the screen, choose your preferred one that you want to change to for your account. After you do that, you will then be able to change your language instantly. The app should automatically update to your selected language, and you can now use the MEXC app in your preferred language. You can always get back to the same page and then click the language of your choice now and then by repeating this step. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.